Wait, what are you doing? Why are you climbing on that?
Whoa, delicious, delicious breakfast here. Oh, perfect. This is the most perfect piece of oatmeal. Bowl of oatmeal. Look at that. Yum. Yum, with bananas on the side.
Where are you taking? Wait. Where are you taking that?
You want to eat here with me? Very good, carrying those things very carefully. Right there. And let's see, what about you? Those are Mama's pills. Leave them right there. I'm going to take my pills. And what about your bib? You want a different one? What color? Red. Oh, the one with cars? That's a good idea. Okay.
That's so close. Cars go
Wow. I think you're going to like this oatmeal. I'm putting bananas in mine, Oliver. Bananas are good in oatmeal. Yeah. Share. Don't forget my pills. Thank you for reminding me. They're right here.